Hey everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a BoxyCharm for November. This is the base box. Be right back. I have a November BoxyCharm to unbox. I have not done that yet. I'm a little behind on the boxes. I think this makes me caught up now until the next one comes to the front door. So let's start for BoxyCharm. First, let me say, hold on, my eyes are just off. Okay, first let me say welcome. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome if you are not subscribed. I appreciate that you all have stopped in to watch my videos today. If you are not subscribed, if you like the content that I'm doing today, which is unboxings, I also do reviews. I do daily and weekly vlogs. I do fashion and makeup and hair and I just, whatever, chit chat, right? So if you like those things and want to subscribe, go down below. There is a subscribe button, thread. Click on that, click on the bell so you know when I'm on, and hit the like or dislike button. As you guys probably know, that like and dislike button helps our videos to get pushed out more often. So I appreciate it. Now into the box. So first thing I see in the box says harvest. Every month BoxyCharm has a, what do you call it? They have, I'm losing my mind today. They have a theme. So let me see what BoxyCharm number I am on. I have variation 32, which is the variation that I have. Everybody has a different variation. We might get some of the same products, but we may not get other products, and they might not get products that we have. So this is what well, let me put this in the bottom so you can see the other items. Okay, this is the items I got in my box. And we will see what I got. Okay, the first one is in a brown box, just a brown box. I'm going to scooch over just a little bit because I will put pictures up here side by side so you can see the actual item on the website. So maybe you can tell the colors and stuff better. So I got, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is what I got. It is a palette, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. I'm gonna grab my glasses. So I have, it is the Natasha Denona Peak palette, and it retails at $48. So I know everybody's been wanting this palette. I don't, okay, so until last year, I really didn't do makeup much or hair or, you know, it's when I started my channel and I started learning about things. This, I guess this person that makes this is very big, and her palettes and her items are just beautiful and worth the money. So I'm going to see if I can open it. Kind of reminds me of like some, there's like a burgundy in here. There's some brown tones, maybe a bronzy tone, and then a light tone. You know, I hope you guys can see where I'm at. But I'll put it on the side too so that you can see it. So that one's $48. What a great, that paid weight. That's 2 times what my box is, right? Okay, so I have this. Now I'm going to have to look and see what it is. So it's kind of like a green, I don't know if that's a green bottle or the spray is green inside. So let's see what that is. Okay. Okay, this is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. Okay, so it's a spray toner. Nice. Not seeing the, let me see if it gives me pricing. Retail value is $40 for the toner, which I am almost out of toner. So I'm going to try this one and see how it does. Next item. Here's the box. Here's the other side. Let's see what's inside. Ah, okay. They are different. Let me see how they open real quick. Yep, so they're lippies. You can see that color there. Let me try and do a little swatch. Hold on a minute. I'm going to swatch them. I got to wash off what I already had on. And this is what they look like. Yeah, don't mind the dry old hands of showing you what they look like. Those are really, really pretty. Okay, so we're going to wipe these off because we're going to do the Natasha Denona, or Natasha Denona. I don't even know how to say it yet. I'm going to learn. It's high quality. You have eyeshadow that's going to stay on all day. So, of course, everybody wants that, right? Let me put these back in the box. I love this. Man, I have gotten some good boxes. Things I need. That toner, I am almost out of my toner. So I was like, oh, I don't want to go buy another one. Hopefully I'll get one. And I did. So, we'll do the Natasha Denona when we're done, okay? So here's the next box. I can't read it at all, so I'm just going to show you the box before I pull the product out and tell you what it is, okay? This is the tiny little bottle. Okay, there's the... Okay, so let me look for that one. Jower, G-O-U-E-R, Essential Lip Enhancer. Oh, okay, so $17. So you don't need much when it comes to your lips. This is a lip enhancer, which I'm not sure if that means keeps your color on for lipstick, or if it means you put it on your bare lips and then you put on your, maybe it helps to plump. I don't know for sure. We'll have to try this though, because my lips are super dry. Super, super dry. Okay. And then I did get another little bottle. Now these look like deluxe samples, but maybe not. But to me, that's what they're looking like. Okay, here's this one. So $15, and this one is the, oh goodness, let me say this again. Alomar Cosmetics Primero Primer. Long wear sticky pigment base. Okay. I don't know what I was trying to say. Okay, so we got a primer. I'm wondering if that's for eyes. I'm going to definitely have to look at that. This is the lip enhancer. I really think these look like deluxe samples, but I guess not. This was a little lippies. I really did like those. The toner, love, 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 need it. Okay, we're going to go and do a little swatching of the Natasha Denona. Okay, here's the first three colors. It's really pretty. The first one's really light. You can't see it very well, but once you get on the eyes, you're going to see it. And then the other two are kind of like a berry. The middle one's more like a berry color. And then the other one's more like a brownish berry. Let's try these other ones. Okay, let's see if you guys can see them. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. They are totally beautiful. I've never used burgundies and pinks before, but I'm going to try. My daughter actually is going to come over and help me learn how to do my eyeshadow differently with some of these colors. I've given her some of the palettes to work with. And so, awesome box. The only thing that I realize the lip stuff is smaller because it's lip stuff. It's like a chapstick is small. But the primer is really small too. And I'm wondering if that's just for under eyes. Because if it is, I completely understand why it is small. And that's probably what it is. Otherwise, great BoxyCharm box. I'm excited to get my Boxy Luxe next month. I know I got to wait till December, but it's okay. I'll get it. So, once again, thanks for watching my video and coming to hang out with me. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week and the rest of a great day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.